Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be telling you how to get a lava puck in Prodigy. So the way that you get this is it's actually an ultimate member pet, so you would have to buy ultimate member to get it, or you could always do the lazy way and you could hack to get it, but hacks are going out on the 10th of April. So that's not going to be around anymore. So the way that you're going to have to get this is by getting ultimate membership. So there is also another thing that comes with this ultimate membership, and that is the hat I am currently wearing. It's called the Dragon's Mask. It's a heart bonus of 6. So this is the other thing that you can get from the ultimate member chest. And the other one is Puck. So that, or Lava Puck. So that is how you are going to be able to get them. And yeah, this is a very short video. Make sure to subscribe. Only like 9.7, I'm pretty sure, percent of you are subscribed. So it would really mean a lot. And bye.